Hi all, in this video I am going to explain how to find the Z-bus matrix of the given power system network using bus building algorithm. Problem 1. Determine the Z-bus for the network shown in figure, where the impedances are shown in per unit. In this given power system network consists of how many buses? 3 buses, 1, 2 and 3 plus 1 reference bus. The 3 buses corresponding to 3 cross 3 matrix. So the final Z bus should be 3 cross 3 matrix. Next I am going to explain how to solve this network using bus building algorithm. Step number 1. In the step number 1, J1.2 is connected between new bus 1, 2 and reference bus. J1.2 is connected between new bus 1 and reference bus. I am going to draw this 1. This is the reference bus J1.2. What is the order of the Z bus matrix? That is 1 cross 1. Here put 1. Here also put 1. Here put the value J1.2. And next I am going to explain the step number 2. Step number 2, J1.5. This J1.5 is connected between new bus 3 and reference bus. The order of the matrix is increased by 1. The order is increased by 1. The new Z bus is 2 cross 2 matrix. Have to draw the diagram. Already we have drawn, that is the bus 1 connected to reference bus 1.2. Here 3 is connected to the reference bus, that is J1.5. Now I am going to write the Z bus matrix. Order is 2 cross 2. 1, here 3, 1 and 3. 1, 1, what is the value? J1.2. 3, 3, what's the value? J1.5. Is there any connection between 1 and 3? There is no connection between 1 and 3. Put 0. Is there any connection between 3 and 1? There is no connection between 3 and 1. Put 0. So this is the new Z bus consists of the order 2 cross 2. Next step number 3. In the step number 3, J0.2 is connected between old bus 1 and new bus 2. J.2 is connected between old bus 1 and new bus 2. Here the order of the matrix is increased by 1. Now the order of the Z bus matrix is 3 cross 3. Have to draw the diagram here. Reference. Here 1. Here 3. That is also connected to the reference bus. J1.2. J0.2. J1.5. Is there any connection between 2 and 3? There is no connection between 2 and 3. Now I am going to write Z bus So already we have got the answer for Z bus, that is 2 cross 2, J 1.20, 0, J 1.5, 1, 3, 1, 3. Here additional one more bus is added, 2. J.2 is connected between old bus 1 and new bus 2. So I have to copy down the same column again, 1.20. And here I am copy down the same row again, 1.20. And how to find out this Z33? Z22 equal to the element is connected between 1 and 2, that is J 0.2 plus J 1.2. This 1 is added. So ZB plus Z11 is added. J 1.4. Next, step number 4. Step number 4 is J 0.15 is connected between old bus 2 and old bus 3. Is connected between old bus 2 and old bus 3. Therefore, the order of the matrix is increased by 4. Therefore, order of the matrix is increased by 4. So, new Z bus should be 4 cross 4. But the final Z bus matrix should be 3 cross 3. So, the last column element and last row element should be eliminated. Now I am going to draw the diagram and write the Z bus matrix. Okay, 1 reference bus, J 1.2, then it is connected to 2, J 0.2, then it is connected to J 0.15, 3, next it is connected to J 1.5. So Z bus equal to here write 1, 3, 2, the last one is 4. 1, 3, 2 and 4. So the same matrix you have to write it again. J 1.2, 0, J 1.2, 0, J 1.5, 0, J 1.2, 0, J 1.4. Here the connection between 2 and 3. So 2 and 3, what I have to do? Both are old buses. So how to find out the fourth column element? This value 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. So J 1.2, here minus J 1.5, here J 1.4. The row also J 1.2 minus J 1.5, J 1.4. Next find out Z44. So how to find out Z44? Z23. Small Z23 means the element connected between 2 and 3. Plus here 2 means you have to write capital Z22. Then write capital Z33 minus 2 in the matrix you have to find out Z23 element. So Z44 equal to, what is Z23? That is J 0.15. Here what is Z22? Z22 is this one J 1.4, and what is Z33? Here this is Z33, J 1.5 minus 2 into what is Z23? Z23 is equal to 0. Now I have to substitute the value here. Z44 equal to J 3.05. J 3.05. Now what is the next step? I am going to remove the last column as well as last row element, because the final matrix should be 3 cross 3 only. The last column and last row element should be eliminated. Next I am going to write how to find out Z bus, that is 3 cross 3. Have to write the 3 cross 3 matrix once again. J 1.2, 0, J 1.2, 0, J 1.5, 0, J 1.2, 0, J 1.4 minus 1 by J 3.05 into, first of all you have to write the last column elements J 1.2 minus J 1.5, J 1.4. Then write the last row elements J 1.2 minus J 1.5, J 1.4. So then you have to multiply this. After the multiplication, we get the answer like this. J 1.2, 0, J 1.2, 0, J 1.5, 0, then J 1.2, 0, J 1.4 minus 1 by J 3.05. If we multiply this, J 1.2 into J 1.2, J square, that is minus 1. 1.2 into 1.2, that is 1.44. So minus 1.44. Then J 1.2 into J 1.5, that is plus J square, already 1 minus. So minus into minus plus 1.8. In the similar manner, multiply the remaining also. 1.8, then minus 2.25, 2.1, minus 1.68, 2.1, minus 1.96. Okay, next I have to divide the matrix by J 3.05. Once again have to write this. J 1.2, 0, J 1.2, 0, J 1.5, 0, J 1.2, 0, J 1.4. Next I have to divide it with J 3.05. So the new value is 1 by J, means that is minus J. So minus J into minus, that is plus. Now J 0.4721. Next minus J 0.5901. Then J 0.5508. Then minus J 0.5901. J 0.7377. Then minus J 0.6885. Then J 0.5508. Then minus J 0.6885. Then J 0.6426. After finishing this, you have to subtract the second matrix from the first matrix. So what is the result? The Z bus is the 3 cross 3 matrix now. Now I get the answer, that is 1, 3, 2, and here 1, 3, 2. Put the value J 0.7279, J 0.5901, J 0.6492. Then J 0.5901, J 0.7623, J 0.6885, J 0.6492, J 0.6885, J 0.7574. Next is step number 5. What is step number 5? J 0.3 is connected between old bus 1 and old bus 3. This is the step number 5. Therefore, the order of the matrix that is increased by 1, the Z bus order is 4 cross 4. But the final matrix should be 3 cross 3 only. So the last column and last row element should be eliminated to get a required matrix. So first I have to write the previous 3 cross 3 matrix once again. Then see, 1 and 3 are connected together by the element J 0.3. So 3 minus 1. What is the value? Minus J 1378, J 0.1722, J 0.0395, J 0.1378, J 0.1722, J 0.0395. Next, find out the last element Z44. How to find out? Is a small Z13 plus capital Z11 plus capital Z33 minus 2 capital Z13. So what is Z13? The element connected between the old bus 1 and old bus 3, J 0.3. What is Z11? That is J 0.7279. What is Z33? Z33 is J 0.7623 minus 2 into, what is Z13? Z13 is J 0.5901. The answer is equal to, after reducing this, we will get the answer J 0.61. J 0.61. But our final matrix should be 3 cross 3 only. So last column and last row element should be eliminated. How to eliminate this? 1 by J 0.61. Write the last column element minus J 0.1378, then J 0.1722, J 0.0395. Next, minus J 0.1378, J 0.1722, J 0.0395. Next, multiply this. So 1 by J 0.61 here minus 0.01898, 0.0237, 0.0054. Next 0.0237 minus 0.0296 minus 0.0068. Next 0.0054 minus 0.0068 minus 0.0015. Then divide the matrix by J 0.61. Next I have to take the previous step 3 cross 3 matrix, that is 1 3 2 1 3 2. J 0.7279, J 0.5901, J 0.6492, J 0.5901, J 0.7623, J 0.6885, then J 0.6492, J 0.6885, J 0.7574 minus, after dividing this matrix, the previous matrix, by J 0.61, we get J 0.0311, J minus J 0.0389 minus J 0.00892. Then minus J 0.0389, J 0.0486, J 0.0115 minus J 0.0892, then J 0.0115, J 0.00255. Then subtract the second matrix from the matrix number 1, that is the correct order is 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. So in this way I am going to rewrite the Z bus matrix. So 1 2 3. So 1 1 J 0.6968, 1 2 is J 0.65812, then 1 3 J 0.629, then 2 1. 2 1 is J 0.65812 and 2 2. 2 2 is J 0.67755 and 2 3. 2 3 is, yes, 2 2 is wrong. 2 2 is J 0.75485. Then 2 3 is J 0.67755. Then 3 1 J 0.629. Then 3 2 J 0.67755. 3 3 is J 0.7137. So this is the final Z bus matrix. Thank you. Have a nice day.